Hi everyone, welcome to my channel GK for all competitive exams. Today in this video I am going to show you how to check the admit card of SSC CGL. In this video I am clearly explaining how to check the admit card of SSC CGL step by step. Let's start. First of all, you have to visit official website of Staff Selection Commission ssc.nic.in. After that, you can get open window like this. Then you have to enter registration number, password, captcha. Then you have to click on login option. After that, you can get information like this. At the top, admit card is there. You have to click on admit card. Then here admit card may be downloaded from the following regional websites is there. Here you have to click on region which you belong. After that you can get here combined graduate level examination 2021. Know the application status, know the rule number, time, date and place of computer based examination for tier 1. Here download e-admission certificate option is given. You have to click on download e-admission certificate. Then you can get here you can download e-admission certificate in two ways. One is by entering your online registration number and date of birth. After that you have to click on download e-admission certificate. You can get details of your admit card. In second way, you have to enter your rule number, candidate, date of birth. After that you have to click on download e-admission certificate. I hope this video useful to you. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.